Woo!
Period cramps are something that most women go through, but how exactly to ease them is what they don't know about. Today, follow the 5s to ease your period cramps. Child's pose. How to do it? For the child's pose, start with your knees on the floor. Fold forward, extend your arms and bend down as far as you can comfortably go. If possible, lean your forehead on the mat in front of you for 5 slow diaphragmatic breaths, or breathe using the belly rather than your chest. You can also turn your head from one side to the other slowly, counting 5 breaths before turning on the other side. You are going to want to relax your hips and slowly stretch those lower back muscles. Inverted leg pose. How to do it? Sit on the floor facing a wall. Lower your shoulders and head to the floor, lying on your side. Then roll onto your back and stretch your legs up the wall. With your feet hip distance apart, whatever distance feels comfortable. Adjust your position by scooting your tailbone towards the wall. It doesn't need to touch the wall. Find a comfortable position for your arms at your side with palms turned up. Relax your arms and shoulders, relax your legs against the wall, release all the effort. Settle into the pose and breathe for at least 10 minutes. To come out of the pose, bend your knees and roll to the side. Remain here for a few breaths before using the strength of your arms to slowly push yourself back up to the seated position. Reclined bound pose. How to do it? Sit on a mat with your legs extended in front of you. Bend your knees and bring your heels towards you to press the soles together. Your knees will drop to the sides. Lean backwards until your back is on the floor. Arms will be supported and open, palms up. Close your eyes and breathe deeply for 3 to 5 minutes or longer if you are comfortable. Be sure to come out of the pose mindfully by rolling to the right side and pausing there for several breaths, and then up to seated, or in any way that works best for you. Next, head to knee pose. How to do it? Sit down on a yoga mat, extend the left leg to the corner of your mat, foot flexed, back of the heel down, toes to the sky. The right knee is bent with the foot tucked as close as comfortable to the groin. Extend your arms over the legs, breathe in deeply and exhale, moving the upper body gently towards the left foot while slowly bringing your right arm in an arc over your head. Do 7 to 12 reps on each side. Corpse pose. How to do it? Lying on your back, let the arms and legs drop open with the arms about 45 degrees from the side of your body. Make sure that you're warm and comfortable. If you need to place blankets under or over your body. Close the eyes and take slow deep breaths through the nose. Allow your whole body to relax on the floor. Scan the body from the toes to the fingers to the crown of your head, looking for tension, tightness, and contracted muscles. Release all controls of the breath, the mind, and the body. Let your body move deeper and deeper into a state of total relaxation. Stay in the pose for 5 to 15 minutes. To release, slowly deepen the breath, wiggle the fingers and toes, reach the arms over your head and stretch the whole body. Exhale, bend and knees to your chest and roll onto one side, coming into a fetal position. When you are ready, slowly inhale up to a seated position. The period cramp relief exercises above are good to start, but they may not work for every woman, especially for those who have painful cramps. We advise you to consult a medical practitioner before trying this at home to know what is right for you. Do share your thoughts and follow this space for more such content.